Across the top we've got our navigation, so that's search, what's on and recently added. And of course the home page shows us by default our search, and here we've got our location, our keywords, our category drop down, which we can change like so. But also on the mobile version, the addition of a Find Me button, which when pressed will allow the website to use our real life current location. So I'll press that now. And it's going to ask us if it's okay to do that, and I'm going to say okay. Now almost immediately it's come back and it's filled in the current location here as current location. It's also given us an approximate location here as Sevenoaks. Internally it's actually storing the latitude and longitude that the device has supplied to the website, and that can be accurate to a few meters depending on the individual devices and the current conditions. Now I'm going to press search now, and just like that we have a list of events that are happening right nearby me. So we got the event titles, the type, date and time, and the distance for each item. And some pagination here which allows us to quickly go from one page to the next, and it loads up very, very quickly because these pages are very lightweight. There are not the heavy graphics that are associated with the desktop version of the website. So let's go and view one of the items. So I'm going to pick this first item here. I'm going to view that, and obviously on the details page we've got our title, our larger image, a summary of the event details including the date, time and the address, telephone number, then we got the event description like so, a button link that lets us go to the organiser's website should we want to, our location map which can be used to find directions, and then some details about the organiser at the bottom. So let's go back to the top of the page. I'm going to do another search now. And I'm going to do a search not based on my real life current location, but I'm going to put in a location. I'm going to enter that in as London. As an example here, I'm going to press search. And there, almost immediately, we got search results that are applicable to London. We can obviously use this drop down here to reorder the results should we want to. So we can have the event date, order by event date, or the newest events first, etc. Or the most relevant if we added some keywords to our search. So I'm back on the home page now, and I'm going to press the What's On tab. And exactly as on the desktop version of the site, What's On is obviously the events that are happening very soon. And we've got quite a few events here, in fact more than are on the desktop version of the website, because we've got more vertical space and scrolling to use. Exactly the same with the recently added. They are obviously the events that have been added recently, and again it shows more events than on the desktop site. Now another addition to the mobile website is the ability to switch to the full version of the site should we need to, and there's a button right at the bottom for that. So I'm going to press that button there, and this will take a little bit longer to load than a mobile site. That's the full version of the site. It's a little bit tiny, sort of teeny weeny eye strainer vision, but it is just about usable should somebody really be determined to do so, and they could even log in and post an event if they were particularly inclined. Now, so I'm going to switch back to the mobile site again, and there we are. That's pretty much it.